All right, so we've already added our employee, we have assigned them the position. Now, the next step, what we're going to take is going to create shift for that employee. But before we create a shift for that specific employee, what we're going to do is just create an empty shift just to show that how it's going to work. Again, we're going to use the post method. We're going to go into our API documentation. We're going to scroll down to the list of calls that we have. And for the shift, we are going to select post shift. All we need is the endpoint syntax. Add in our API adapter. Now we need to pick up our API token. Copy it. Append it in our endpoint. In the body of this API call, we are going to pick up some data, or you would say the data format for this syntax, which is listed on the bottom of this call, which is the start date, the start time, end date, end time. Without it, we cannot create a shift. So let's go ahead and fill our key elements. Okay, and here we are. And schedule. Now schedule here is going to stand for the shift. And the shift is going to be made for the position, and we need to have a position ID in which we are going to enter the ID. Let's go ahead and fill these values for the keys. Okay, 06, 22. Same date can be copied to the end date. And the schedule. Now we go into staff tab, locations and positions, inspect, and here we are. Okay, now we need to just double check our syntax, and we go into the shift planning tab, position view, and we go back onto our caddy field. Let's go back into our API adapter. We change the method. We select the post method, and we run the query. And let's see if the shift gets created. Refresh. And here we are. The shift has been created.